What's up, everyone? We are here at the International Convention Center in Berakas for the event of the season. If you haven't heard, Let's Raya 2026 is officially back, and let me tell you, the vibes are incredible. This isn't just a shopping trip, it's an entire experience. We're talking Raya Luxe, a refreshed concept for their 8th edition that mixes high-end international brands with our favorite local labels. Whether you're here to finish your festive shopping or just to soak up the atmosphere, you do not want to miss this. First off, this year's event kicked off with some serious prestige. The opening ceremony was officiated by Her Royal Highness Princess Hajah Amal Rakiah. It really sets the tone for Let's Raya as the premium lifestyle platform in Brunei. You can feel that Luxe energy the moment you walk through the doors. The theme this year is Raya Dalam Setiap Detik, or Raya in every moment. Since it's the 8th edition, they're using the number 8 to symbolize infinity. The idea is that the spirit of Raya isn't just one day. It's a continuous cycle of gratitude and tradition passed down through generations. It's actually really beautiful how they've integrated that into the decor. Now, let's talk shopping. The lineup is massive. We've got exclusive Raya collections from renowned Malaysian brands alongside our very own local favorites. From curated fashion labels to those must-have accessories, it's basically a one-stop shop to get your Raya fit sorted. But it's not just about the clothes. If you're looking to stock up your pantry or glow up for the holidays, they've got you. There's a huge range of skincare, cosmetics, and of course, Kuih Raya. I've already spotted some festive essentials that I'm definitely taking home. One of the coolest new additions this year is the DIY zone. You can actually personalize your own tote bags using pre-printed badges.
Decorated, and then this is the Brunei monument, and then you can see this is the Brunei landmark.
Yeah, this is more to promote Brunei lah, huh?
Yeah,
Brunei attractions lah, Pak Buddha.
Yeah, so masih katung.
Yes. Okay. It's very good.
These aren't just random designs either. They feature Bruneian landmarks and iconic local dishes. It's the perfect way to take home a piece of the culture and a personalized keepsake from the event. Remember, this is about making memories. The event is open from 10 a.m. all the way until 11 p.m. So even if you are busy during the day, you can come by for some late night festive shopping with the family. Let's Raya 2026 has really leveled up this year. It's the perfect blend of fashion, tradition, and interactive fun. It's running until this Sunday, March 15, so make sure you clear your schedule. Have you guys visited yet? Let me know in the comments which booth is your favorite or what you picked up at the DIY zone. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more Brunei event coverage, and I'll see you in the next one. Selamat Hari Raya in advance. Bye!